Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this videos, I'm going to show you how to trade spot. Spot is very easy to trade. So if you are using Binance like release, so you have to change it to Binance Pro. Yeah. So click here and then you click on Binance Pro. Yeah. So now it is going to change to Binance Pro. Okay. So before you start trading in spot, you must have fun in your spot account, right? Okay. You click on asset. Yeah. And you click on spot here. Yeah. Okay. So now in my spot account, I have one USDT $1. Yes, you can see. Yeah, so I can trade it. Okay, so if you are new in crypto and you do not have a Binance account yet, yes, in my YouTube channel or in my channel, I have already posted these videos in English tutorial. So you can create Binance account first and complete KYC, so you will be able to trade in spot. Okay, yeah. Okay, right now you already have fun. Okay, I want to hide some of coin below $1 here. Yeah. So now in my spot account, I have $1. You can see it. Yeah. So we are going to trade spot. Yeah, we also can trade in some pair. Yeah. So in order to trade spot, you click here. You click on trade here, and then you select the pair you want to trade. $1 can trade PayPay pair because it will execute for you. Okay. For example, if you trade it and you cannot, so you have to complete disclaimer, right? Here is the disclaimer. Yeah. This disclaimer, you just take yes I am, I will be responsible, I accept the term of use, and then confirm. So that's it. So you will allow to trade in spot account. In spot account, there are a lot of functions, but you need only two functions to trade. One is market and one is limit. Yeah. So I will explain you what is market and what is limit. Limit means you want to buy the price you wish. So it's not current price. For example, the current price is 0, 4 times 1, 3, right? So I don't want to buy this. Okay, I want to buy more lower, like something like this, 0.04 times 000. So I want to buy like this price. So I want to buy 1 USDT. See? So you can click on buy PayPay, like hit buy button here. Okay, you see, now your order is created, right? Yeah, your order is created. So if the price drop to this limit price, the platform will be executed for you. So you will buy it. You will have this coin with this price. So easy. You don't have to buy market. But if you want to buy instantly, using that, oh, this coin is gonna going up more, so you can buy instantly. How? It's easy. So you just cancel it, or if you have fun, you can trade. You just change here. Yeah, change here to market. Okay, market means you buy the instantly with market here. You see? Yeah. Okay, now I would like to consent first. Yeah. So look at my fund, it come back here. Yeah, 1 USD in available. See? So I can buy in market. Okay. Now you click trade again, and then when you press market like this, and you click 1 USDT. See? Yeah. And you click buy button. So here, yeah, I have bought it. Order created. Mean I have already bought this coin. Yeah. Okay. Look at the asset. So you can see now your coin is here. Your coin is already bought. Before you have $1 USDT, but now you have around $1 in PayPay coin because you have bought it at the moment. Okay. If you have fund or someone transfer your fund in the fund account, yeah, you have to transfer it to spot account. Sometimes when get coin in the fund account, you have to transfer it first to spot trading account. Okay. So how to transfer? You click on funding, so you can already see USDT in your fund account, right? Just click here, transfer. Okay, after that you select the coin and make sure from funding to spot. Okay, and then this is the coin you want to transfer. If not this coin, just click it and click it. Yeah, and then click max like this. Okay, and click confirm, and then okay, so it will send your coin to spot account. So now you have received here in spot account, so you start to trade whichever you want. Okay, but for another pair, maybe you can start with 5 USD up, but this trading pair PayPay, you can use only 1 USDT. You can make or create order. Okay, so I will tell you that what is spot trading. Yeah, spot trading means it is you trade with low risk. You don't worry about the margin call. You don't worry about liquidation like future or margin trading. So if you are new in this crypto space, I would recommend you to use or to trade on the spot because there are a lot of dangerous from trading like futures or margin if you don't understand it. For margin trading or future trading is only for expert. If you think you are not expert yet, just trade only in spot. For example, why the spot is low risk? So if you buy the coin, for example, okay, for example now BNB. I see give you the example about BNB. Yeah. Now BNB the price is around $661 per coin. So if you buy this coin right now, you think that it's not gonna go up, so you buy it. So if go up, you make profit. But if you buy it and it drop to here, like it drop to 600 for example, then you will lose $61, right? Yeah. But don't worry, because the price is down, that's why you see your asset value is lost. But when the market is up, so your money will be come back, so you don't lose your money, right? But if you sell with the low, yeah, you sell the low price, buy high, sell low, you will be low. So what should you do? You should wait the market drop and then you buy it. Then when the market up, you sell it. So buy low, sell high, is make profit. Don't buy high, sell low, it will be loss. Okay? Yeah. And don't worry, if you buy high, high price, after you bought it and it drop, just hold it. Do nothing, just hold it. Wait until the market is going back, so you can get back your money. Yeah, that is the special for the spot trading. Yeah, I hope everyone know about this risk and you can manage it well. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching these videos. If you have any question, can comment below or join my community and direct chat to ask me. Okay, see you next time, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.